Tonight, we're learning more about a deadly train crash in Penwell that took the lives of 2 people. Here's a look at the aftermath. You can see thick black smoke coming from the wreckage. DPS tells us a Union Pacific train struck a pickup at the Avenue G crossing and that the pickup caught on fire. We know 2 people in the pickup died, but they have not been identified yet. DPS says the train did not derail and crews are working to remove the wreckage and clear the roadway. Right now, investigators are still looking into how the wreck happened.